One done, one general, 1-6.
Yo, squash.
One family. One done, one general, 1-6.
G man.
Yo, Salt Spring.
One family.
One done, one general, 1-6.
Yo, squash.
One family. One done, one general, 1-6.
G man.
Yeah, a one family.
Hey y'all, hey. So it is Saturday and we are hanging out. Probably went to go pump some gas. Kiddo's in the back. Amor is still sucking his finger. He is 5, almost 6. Mel is scratching her gums with her toy. Yep. We about to hang out in the streets for a little bit. And let's have some family time. Really, guys? What's the problem? Boys will be boys. Boys will be boys. Amor, really? Seriously? Kids. I'll be back in the car. Baby, you can take your mask off now. You're in the car. But see, we stay safe. We wear our masks. We don't play that. Right, babes?
That's right. That's right.
Ooh, this sun is trying to kiss us for real. Vitamin D in the house. So I think we're off to our favorite store, which is one of our favorite stores, which is Target. Oh, oh yeah, the red one. So here. Come off of the curb, Bridget. Anyways, so yeah, we're headed to one of our favorite spots, Target. And wherever else we go after that.
I wanted to go see if Joy's bedroom. So.
Oh, you want to get them a new one?
I wanted to go look.
Rooms to go?
Yeah, or actually.
I can't window shop because I be wanting to get stuff. I have control, but I don't like window shopping. You know what I mean? Oh, you can take off your mask, you know. I'm just saying. You comfortable? So yeah, people, we're headed to Target, so we're gonna hit y'all back up when we get there. Peace. Steven the genius. Oh, Steven got his face shield on. What? How you doing? Hey. Let the shopping begin. Oh, I'm gonna get my steps in too. Yeah. So I need to close all my rings today. We found this painting. It's really pretty. I like that. Love the colors. So springy and nice. Yeah. Where are we gonna put this? You thought about it? Yeah, I do. You thought about it? Got a nice decor piece.
All these going in our bedroom.
Ooh, I'm excited. So I'm gonna snack off. I don't know. Escape everybody. And I'm trying to find something healthy. Not good. slippers.
I didn't have money.
Okay.
No.
You guys, that's pretty loud. Why may I tell you say everybody is just moving slow in this target. The moment the target trip boring. But me enjoy myself.
J-Star on the track, baby.
Shalon, why you have on your shades in the store? The sun bright in you?
No, my yard man.
Oh, no, my yard man. So yard man, how that them do? Oh, celebrity. Oh. Walking celebrity. But I think it's over there, so we have to go. Hey, are we getting Starbucks?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's the exciting part of our trip. And more ways to say.
Guess what? I got free chocolate plane to eat. No, Lego plane to eat.
We about to be out of here. Out of here. Come on, gang.
Yeah. One of them foot things.
Foot scrub?
Use myself. Do it yourself.
Do yourself? Okay.
DIY.
I was thinking too. Oh, make sure I say it right. All right, so we are headed to the yard. Everybody tired today, but guess what we have? Guess what we have?
Mom,
Starbucks, huh?
I was tired in the store, but guess what?
What?
Guess what made me not tired?
What make you not tired?
The plane, Lego plane.
Oh, so Daddy bought you the Lego plane?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're pretty excited about putting it together, but you can't have it all over the house, though, right? Keep it in your room. All right.
Because the lady's gonna start eating it.
Yeah, we don't need her to eat it, because that's not good. That would hurt her, right? Mm-hmm. Hubby, you got anything you want to say? You chilling today, huh?
Yeah.
Chilling real hard.
But don't forget to like and or subscribe.
Watch your curve, watch your curve.
And make a comment if the comment section is available. You know, yeah, we're gonna be doing this full time. Yeah, day in the life, family, and you know, it's an experience. I promise you.
Oh yeah,
With this kids that we got,
it's an experience.
And the what?
Ooh, child. And the what? But yeah, people, I know I was saying something in the background.
little mushroom,
Like, subscribe,
little mushroom puff.
leave a comment. Show us some love.
Eat them spit up
Show us
pizza.
some love. People that eat spit up pizza. Yeah. I ain't ready to really eat out like that yet. I'm still scared. Slowly but surely. But like, subscribe, comment. Alright guys, so we just came home from Target and we're getting ready to eat dinner. But these kids talk about they want to do a fashion show. What we doing, boys? So more, what are you modeling?
What? I'm gonna get a new shirt. A different shirt.
Just walk, boy.
Yeah.
All right, it's Steven. in his
Tie-dye
new
shirt,
tie-dye
some jeans.
sweatshirt with his jeans. He's feeling pretty cool.
We're gonna go on to the next outfit.
Next outfit.
Yeah.
So here comes hubby. I'm baby Mel. Hey, 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 hey.
Girl, we are my girl. Me tell you, say, we are my girl. Bogle.
Bogle, yeah man, yes.
Butterfly.
Yes.
Butterfly, cutting. Heel and toe.
My God, and gone way back.
And the punch.
You gone way back, brother. Watch ya. On the bank. Hey, and she love that. Hey.
Yo,
What
Batman
action?
forward, Batman pull up.
So we have these two silly boys come. What? Amor, did I see them? The clothes are too big for you. That is not your clothes. What are we doing here?
So, there's a little problem. Omar's pants is stuck on me.
Come on downstairs because y'all pull up your pants, kid. Man. Shallan, you know see what going on so. I'm more come down in a Steven clothes and Steven I'm more pants stuck on Steven. Come on down, Steven.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna have to pull this shirt down.
How was your trip, Amor? Are you kidding me right now? Y'all are foolish. Shenanigans in the P gang shenanigans. Oh my God, Steven, them pants, you about to die, boy.
A one done, one general, 1-6. Yo, squash. One family. One done, one general, 1-6. G man. Yo, Salt Spring, money time, yeah, we done luck badness. Know that. Yo, we just pop NEC and bun 100 hard spliff. G6. Yeah, a one family. Make money and share what them know about loyal. A one general. 6 out here, we no fear.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Remember to
Subscribe.
comment
And share.
Bye. Out.
I'm a brand